Okay, we're at the old Brewster Hospital. This is on the National Register, and when I looked this up, originally the photograph showed it in its more or less original state, and it was pretty dilapidated, and it was surrounded by fencing, and which means I guess they were in the process of restoring it, sort of like the Jackson House or some of the cigar factories over in Ybor. But anyway, I wanted to come and see it. I don't know that I would have if I knew it was restored, but I'm glad I did anyway, because even in its restored state, it's still pretty stately and historic, and everything, the brick and all that is original. So it's been changed into some sort of company. But this was built in 1885 as a private residence. It became the first medical facility to serve the black community in the early O's, and that's its historic significance. That's why it's on the National Register, and it's an incredible building, as all those buildings were of those times. I mean, they put effort into the design. There are a lot of lofts around here. I'm not sure what type of environment we're in, but it looks like it's in the middle of being restored. And I'm not sure if that wooden part back there was original or not. I'm assuming it wasn't, but in any event, these people that have reopened it, they managed to maintain the historical integrity of it. So it's pretty cool. It's neat that the brickwork and the windows and all that, pretty legit, pretty cool stuff.